मानसिक भलायकी सप्तकात प्रदर्शन आणि विक्री अशा एका कार्यावळीचे आयोजन गोंय वैजकी महाविद्यालयाच्या एका विभागान केला। या सप्तकात लोकांक आत्महत्येपासून परावृत्त करपाक हो विषय आसा।
Institute for basically for cardiac care, for pediatrics. Similarly, whatever is required, you require more number of counselors, you require clinical psychologists, you require several other posts that are required to be created. Where we have the candidates actually from Goa, but they don't have an opening in our institute. So I only suggest to secretary, make a suggestion to the secretary is that before we start the recruitment process, if we have any such gap remaining, I think we must fill that gap. We must give up some posts and we must take posts that will be actually transforming our functioning of the department so that we are able to make not only a difference but in the true sense this topic will be reduced, then suicide prevention. And in order to reach that stage, then we must be able to have the right approach, we must be able to have the right type of people guiding us, we must have the right type of doctors working with us, we must have the right type of counselors working with us, we must have the right type of clinical psychologists working with us, and it has to be integrated along with the whole system, along with the education, along with health and many other areas. I was just very happy to see the exhibition now. Good work is being done by them. I was just suggesting that the government should pick up most of the, all through handicrafts, we should pick up most of the thing and create a source of revenue for the patients who are doing this good work. Excellent exhibition put up by the patients, because it is so easy for us as a government to intervene and to create some sort of a different environment. And I think we need to look differently, think differently. All I like to wish you on this day is keep up your passion, do your good work. I'm not saying everything is very hunky-dory here, but we need to work and we need to move forward with a positive mindset. Only then, if we are in a positive mindset, every staff working here is in a positive mindset, then that's the difference we'll be able to make in the patient's life. Thank you so much.
Managing for coming here and gracing this occasion. Sir has spoken volumes, and Sir has has brought such a huge change in the health sector and a visible change. And with whatever Sir has said now, I feel that even the mental health would be changing soon, and mental health related issues in Goa. Sir has already tied up with the demands, and that's a great news for us also, that we will be holding, they will be with our collaboration would help in this part. Sir has already started with 2-3 projects and daycare and center of excellence and other things. We thank you, sir, for that. And suicide helpline and all those new things which are the new projects which are coming up, and all under Sir's vision, we all would like to support that and be a part of that, and so that our stakeholders get very good support and very good state of very good services in the Goa. Madam Neela Mohanan, Secretary Health, the new mental health care challenges are not they are equally challenging, and with Madam's support, I think we will be able to take care and get all those best of the things for the state. Thank you, Madam, for being here and gracing this occasion. Our director, Dr. Bandekar, he is the dean also of GMC, and Sir is overburdened with ample charges. But in spite of that, Sir, he is always with us and with the needs of IPH. Thank you, sir. Madam